What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Taka. I'm talking about design, product and business. So today the topic I want to share with you is the difference between US and UI design. What is US design? US design is the skeleton. US stands for user experience. US is how a user interact with and experience a product, system or service. Ray US is usefulness, usability and desirability. US include UI. US designer help make technology easier to understand and more enjoyable to use. The phrase user experience was first invented in the 1990s by Don Norman. A good user experience must design for usable, useful, equitable, and enjoyable. What about UI design? What is UI design? UI design is the skin. UI stands for user experience. No, UI stands for user interface. Yeah, my mistake. UI is what you look and feel any sort of visual elements. Interaction design. UI is part of US. A good user interface includes easy to read on multi-device, font using not too small or too big. Good contrast help user eyes see content easily. Spacing between elements needs white space to help user eye read while reading content on website or mobile app. Make sure each element feels unique, aesthetically and in purpose. Design consistency help user understand web and app easily while they are on app or website. Using design pattern, F-shape or Z-pattern layout. Yeah, that's it. That is the thing I want to share with you today. The difference between US and UI. So if you like my video, please click on the like button below and share it to your friends. I hope all you guys have a good day and see you.